Now, for 2026, credit repair has definitely changed. One of the biggest changes that you will notice that many people will not, especially credit repair companies and content creators, won't discuss is the length of time. Let me explain. An easy file, something that had nothing but hard inquiries, and most of the hard inquiries were almost 2 years old, so they were about to fall off. That would be considered one of the easiest files to repair. That file before 2026 typically took anywhere from 30 days to at max 3 months to remove all the hard inquiries. Notice I said at max 3 months, but it typically fell anywhere from 30 days to around 60 days and the file would be clean. The changes in the CFPB, Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, which requires all credit repair to be initiated first with the credit bureaus, meaning you can no longer submit a CFPB complaint before you send a letter or start a dispute directly with the credit bureaus and give the credit bureaus up to 45 days to respond. That is a big change. And you will notice this change on social media because before this change, there were a lot of ads, especially with people advertising the data breach, the credit suite, that you could get items removed within 4 days, 24 hours, or up to 7 days. Well, to do that, what they were using was the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. They were submitting complaints directly to the CFPB to expedite the process. Well, the CFPB has stopped that, meaning due to the abuse of the system, because the system was only designed, the CFPB was designed to be an escalatory step, not the initial step. So once you submit a complaint to the credit bureaus and they fail to investigate, that's when you were to get the CFPB involved. Well, a lot of credit repair companies, specialists, content creators abused the CFPB, meaning they would initiate their complaint with the CFPB, submit all the documents, and in many cases, get a faster result in getting items removed. Well, the CFPB now has clearly stated if you have not submitted your complaint directly to the credit bureaus and given the credit bureaus up to 45 days to respond, they will no longer accept a CFPB complaint. Meaning if you submit a CFPB complaint and the credit bureaus respond and say, hey, we never got this information, CFPB will now not honor future complaints, making it harder for you to get your items removed because the credit bureaus must have an opportunity to respond. So what does that mean for your credit repair? Essentially, that means an additional 2 to 3 months have been added to what typically credit repair timeframes would have been in the past. When I told you an easy file could see great results within 30 and at max 90 days, now it's going to take at least 3 months to see those same results, and it can take up to 5 months. So it's increased the length of time it takes to have items removed because you have to go through the initial step first. What else has changed? The next thing that has changed, credit bureaus in 2023, 2024, and 2025 all settled class action lawsuits. And those class action lawsuits stated and were proven and where the credit bureaus failed to investigate consumer disputes. So you say, well, Raul, they settled the class action suit. How is that going to impact my credit repair? This is how it will impact it. The settlements were very small. In the case of Equifax, there were 30 million individuals who had their disputes not investigated. The settlement was $25 million. That's less than $1 per person. And if you take out the attorney fees, which are typically 40% of whatever the reward is, that's less than about 40 cents per person. So in effect, Equifax has no incentive to investigate your dispute because with that settlement, it was so small, it could be like doing a cost of business. So you will see your dispute have to be written better, and since there's no real financial burden to bear for the credit bureaus, you're going to have to work harder. So that typically means you're going to spend about an additional month or two trying to get an item removed. So credit repair, as we know it or knew it, has changed. There's going to take more effort, and it's going to take a longer period of time before items are removed. That doesn't mean they won't be removed. It just means you're going to have to put forth more effort, be more accurate with your dispute and where it is sent, and you're going to have to change your expectation. Don't expect something to come off like a miracle. There are no miracle methods. None. There's not a miracle method that is going to remove items from your credit report in 2 weeks, a week, or a day. So I want to make that clear. And I wanted to put this video out because I'm still getting some emails that are concerning to me. I want you to understand it can be removed. It will take time, but your expectations have to match exactly what the current environment is. Thank you. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If you have a question or you need a consultation, email me at perfectscore@10dollarcreditrepair.com. Perfectscore@10dollarcreditrepair.com. Thank you.